Tell us which one we should try first, guys. Comment below.
Fruit Riot sent us a package.
What did they send us, y'all? Okay. What is
Wait,
this?
I want to open it. We got...
Oh,
like a bag.
it's like a beach bag.
Yeah, this is cute. Oh, and it says Fruit Riot on the front.
Look at that. That is too cute.
Sour mango.
Some extreme sour grapes watermelon flavor. They sent us so many.
Yeah.
Guys, look at all of these.
Olipop one.
Oh, how cool. They really hooked us up. We're so excited to try all these for you guys.
A bag
cute
to put
little
all of our
bag.
Fruit Riot in.